Baking soda nearly saved my life, and nobody told me 18 months ago. I woke up unable to catch my breath. My chest felt tight, my heart raced, and panic set in. The emergency room visit revealed nothing alarming, but something was clearly wrong. 3 specialists, countless tests, and $2,000 later, I still had no answers. A 79-cent box of baking soda changed everything. Most people use baking soda once a year to clean their ovens. They sprinkle it in garbage cans to mask odors. Meanwhile, their bodies struggle with acid overload, inflammation, and metabolic dysfunction. The disconnect between what we know and what we practice is staggering. My transformation began with skepticism, not hope. After months of feeling progressively worse, I started researching metabolic acidosis. The term sounds complex, but the concept is simple. Your body constantly balances acid and alkaline substances. When this balance shifts too far toward acidity, every system in your body suffers. Sodium bicarbonate works by donating bicarbonate ions to your bloodstream. These ions bind with excess hydrogen ions, the primary component of acids, forming water and carbon dioxide that your body easily eliminates. This process happens within minutes of consumption. Research from the University of California shows that even small doses can measurably shift blood within 30 minutes. Day 1 felt like an experiment in desperation. I dissolved 1/4 teaspoon in 8 ounces of room temperature water. The mixture tasted salty and flat, like drinking ocean water diluted 100 times. I consumed it slowly, uncertain what to expect. Within 40 minutes, the persistent tightness in my chest eased noticeably. The respiratory relief wasn't coincidental. A study published in Clinical Science Journal demonstrated that sodium bicarbonate reduces respiratory rate and improves oxygen efficiency. When your blood becomes too acidic, your body compensates by increasing breathing rate to expel more carbon dioxide. Neutralizing that acidity allows your respiratory system to relax and function normally. By day 4, my sleep quality transformed completely. I had spent years waking every 2 hours, often in cold sweats with racing thoughts. That pattern stopped abruptly. The connection between balance and sleep architecture is well documented. Research in the Journal of Sleep Research shows that metabolic acidosis disrupts normal sleep cycles and reduces time spent in restorative deep sleep phases. The energy shift happened gradually but unmistakably. Chronic fatigue had defined my existence for so long that I had forgotten what normal energy felt like. Cellular energy production depends heavily on proper balance. Mitochondria, the structures that generate energy in your cells, function optimally within a very narrow range. Even slight acidosis can reduce their efficiency by 20 to 30%. My cognitive function improved in ways that shocked me. The brain fog that had made simple tasks feel overwhelming simply lifted. A study in the Journal of Cerebral Blood Flow and Metabolism revealed that cerebral blood flow increases when blood normalizes. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching brain tissue. Here's what medical professionals rarely discuss openly. Modern diets push most people toward chronic low-grade acidosis. Processed foods, excessive protein intake, stress, and inadequate sleep all increase acid load. Your kidneys work constantly to compensate, but they can become overwhelmed. Sodium bicarbonate provides direct support for this buffering system. The dosing protocol I developed through careful experimentation: 1/4 teaspoon in 8 ounces of water twice daily. Once upon waking on an empty stomach, once mid-afternoon between meals. Timing matters because food in your stomach can interfere with absorption and effectiveness. I tracked my progress meticulously, noting energy levels, sleep quality, digestive function, and mental clarity. Digestive improvements came as a welcome surprise. Years of intermittent heartburn and acid reflux disappeared within 1 week. The mechanism is straightforward. Excess stomach acid causes reflux symptoms. Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes that acid immediately. Unlike commercial antacids that can disrupt digestion, baking soda works quickly and clears your system completely. Kidney function monitoring became important as I continued. A landmark study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology followed chronic kidney disease patients for 5 years. Those supplementing with sodium bicarbonate showed significantly slower disease progression. The researchers concluded that reducing acid load decreases kidney stress and preserves function over time. Athletic performance jumped noticeably. I had struggled to complete a simple 2-mile run without stopping,